Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to enter your investment income in TurboTax in a smooth and accurate way. Begin by signing into your account and opening your current tax return. From the main menu, go to the Wages and Income section and scroll to the Investments and Savings category. Here, you'll find options for interest, dividends, and stock sales, so choose the one that matches your income type. You can either import your investment data directly from your brokerage or enter it manually. If entering manually, carefully type in details from forms like 1099 INT or 1099 DIV, including amounts and payer information. For stock sales, you may need to enter purchase dates and sale prices as well. Take your time to ensure everything matches your documents. TurboTax will guide you through follow-up questions to calculate gains or losses. Once finished, review the summary screen carefully, fix any errors if needed, and your investment income will be successfully added to your tax return. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.